Hello friends, so today we're going to talk about the area model, one of our first strategies for multiplication. We're going to do this using a 1-digit factor and multiplying that by a 2, 3, and 4-digit factor. So remember that the only rules right now for the area model is just to take your factors and expand them. So for example, if we had 364, that's our first factor. We're going to expand that here by writing 300 plus 60 plus 4. Thank you. So our 364 is expanded, meaning that we're showing the values of every part of the digit. This is just to break up the number, put it in easier chunks, and keep it organized. We're going to multiply 364 by 5. Our other factor comes on this side, and there's no way for us to expand 5, so we're just going to leave it alone. Then you separate where you see plus signs, so we're going to separate here and here. And now your next step is just to distribute your 5 across the board. So we're going to put times 5 here, 5 times here, 5 times here. Now we're going to take our other factors and our other part of our factors and drop them down into the boxes they belong in. So 5 times 300 would go here, 5 times 60, 5 times 4. Now in class we've talked about something called a zero trick, and that's where we take the zeros away from the number that exists and we put it in our answer or in our product. That way it's easier for us to multiply the numbers that we have. So in our first box we've got 5 times 3, which is only 15. And we have 5 times 6, which is 30, and 5 times 4, which is 20. Again, this is just to keep it organized, just to keep you a better view and to train our brain in what multiplication with bigger numbers really is. Finally, we're going to take all of our products, all 3 of them, and we're going to put them neatly in order from greatest to least. So 1,500, 300, and 20. And we're going to add those back together. In our ones place, we have 0. In our tens place, we have 2. In our hundreds place, we have 8. And in our thousands place, we have 1. This is our final product. So for example, if we had a problem that was a 4-digit factor times a 1-digit factor, again, we take our first factor and we write it in expanded form, meaning that we show the value of every digit, plus 20 plus 8. And our other factor goes on the other side, and there's no need for us to expand 4. Again, we separate where we see place values or where we see addition symbols, and we're going to distribute this 4 all the way across. So it's kind of like a grown-up array. So here we're going to put 4 times, 4 times, 4 times, 4 times. Now we drop our other factors down into the boxes that they belong to. So in this box, we'll have 4 times 4,000, 4 times 300, 4 times 20, and 4 times 8. This box has 3 zeros, so our product is going to have 3 zeros, and 4 times 4 is 16. This box has 2 zeros, so our product will have 2 zeros, and 4 times 3 is 12. We have 1 zero here, 4 times 2 is 8, and no zeros in this box, and 4 times 8 is 32. So final step, we have 16,000, 1,200, 80, and 32. We're going to add that together. In our ones place, we have 2. In our tens place, we have 11. In our hundreds place, we have 3. In our thousands place, we have 7. And in our 10,000s place, we have 1. 17,312 is our final product.